Beautiful flowers and moments is what this is all about, and I'm calling this design Pink Frosting because I love the colours. Very, very easy. When you get them home, just get a vase, lay everything out, take the tags off, and just go for it. This is how I like to design my flowers. First off, let's put a bit of greenery into there, and because we've put that greenery on that side, let's put another piece on that side. Now, if at the end you don't like them like that, doesn't matter because you can take them out and you can put it wherever you want. I've got 3 of these lovely hot pink peonies. Put those around like so. And if you can also use the foliage as sort of like a lever to lift your things up. Let's put one of those into there, one into there, one into there. Everything's all been cut for you, so the balance is all going to be easily achieved. With the 3 roses, one into there, one over to this side, and one a little bit higher over to there. So you've got the equal placements between your flowers. Right, with these, as I said, they come with tags on. Take the tags off, they're just an identifier. Take those off because they're not going to provide any kind of artistic merits at all. And I'm just going to step those up and into there. See, she take the labels off and I didn't. So there you have a quick and easy design. Oops, sorry about that. I'll just put that into there right now. So any way in which you want to design them, move them around to whichever way is going to suit you. And there we have a quick and easy design in moments.